first order. Got a Chick-fil-A. Not gonna be ready, but going anyways. This is $8 going 4.5 miles. Thank you. It says, please leave on front doorstep. Sorry my porch light is broken, so lighting isn't great. I think I can figure it out. Thank you for the concern. Next order up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one's gonna be $7 going 4.5 miles. Not great, but slow motion is better than no motion.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $9 and some change going 5 miles. Wait a minute. This person has the same name as the previous order. Is this going to the same person? Thank you. You too. Okay, never mind. Just a coincidence. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's going to be $8 going 4 miles. Next order up is a different McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7 and some change, going 3.5 miles. This next order is gonna be for Chick-fil-A, $8.25 going 4.5 miles.
Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's gonna be $8 going 2 miles. I just realized this is the third different McDonald's I've gone to today. I already forgot the details on this order, but it's gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. I wanna say it was like $9 going 2 miles, 2 items, something like that. Oh no, oh no. I just looked at what I'm picking up. This is definitely gonna be going upstairs. Got 2 cases of 36 water bottles. This should be fun.
Okay, just water.
Yes. Just not gonna open the door for me, or what? On the floor, or?
Yeah, just in the floor.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No problem. All right, I got lucky there. Didn't have to go up 3 flights of stairs to an apartment. I really hope this one's ready for me, because I do not feel like waiting. But this is IHOP, $11 and some change, going 6 miles. Appreciate it, thank you. You too. All right, it was ready for me. I like it. Next order up is back to IHOP. This one's gonna be $10.75 going 5 miles. Hopefully this one's ready. Again, I do not want to be waiting today. Thank you. You too. Next order up, we've got a Popeyes. This one's gonna be $8 going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's gonna be $10.75 going 4 miles, only 2 items. Oh, what? They're adding another shop and deliver for alcohol. An extra $10 going 3 miles, 2 more items. Yeah, that sounds good to me. Two of these. And then just scribble on that line for me.
Thank you.
Okay, I know where this one's going and I know it's upstairs, so I'm gonna be out of breath when I do my outro. Stairs are killer. All right, we're done. Current time is 12:09. Total is 131. I am sweating like a pig, so let's go home. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.